Caleb, it's Mrs. Lyons from my office, your living room. I have a new book for you. It's called Dogs. Are you ready? Dogs. Dogs make great family pets, just like your dog. Some dogs are big, like this guy. Some are small. Some dogs have long hair. Which one is long hair? Point to it. You're right, this guy. Point at the one. Others have short hair. Who has short hair? This guy with the crinkly face. Dogs need exercise. Owen walks his dog. Dogs like to run. They like to play. Does Bruno catch a frisbee when you throw it? I'd like to know. Dogs need food and water. Emma feeds her dog. Oh, do you help your dog get food just like this one? Dogs need grooming. This keeps them clean. Dogs should see a veterinarian. This keeps them healthy. A veterinarian is a huge word. It's a doctor for pets. Is a dog the right pet for your family? Good news. That's why you have Bruno. The answer is yes. All right, let's look at the dog supplies. Touch the dog bed. Point to the dog leash. Ooh, dog dish and food. What colors do you see on the dog toy? I see red and white and blue and orange. All right, let's look at these glossary terms right here. We have exercise, a physical activity that makes someone stronger and healthier. Groom, to take care of an animal's hair by brushing and cleaning it. Veterinarian, a person who went to school to treat sick or hurt animals. The end. You did a great job. If you like that book, feel free to rate it 2 thumbs up. Hey, have a great one from my office to your house. Next time we'll read another book.